In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a club on chess.com step by step. Whether you want to build a community, host tournaments, or just connect with other players who share your interests, creating a club is one of the best ways to do it. The process is simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own club up and running. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Make sure you're logged into your account because you'll need to be signed in to create a club. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several options there, but the one you're looking for is called Connect. Go ahead and hover your mouse over Connect and a menu will appear. From that menu, click on Clubs. This will take you to the club section where you can explore existing communities or create your own. Now that you're on the clubs page, look toward the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Create Club. Click on that to begin setting up your new club. At this point, you'll be taken to the club creation page. Here's where you'll enter all the important details for your club. Start by typing in your club name. Make sure it's something clear, unique, and easy for others to recognize. Next, add a description. This is where you can explain what your club is about, who it's for, and what members can expect. You can include things like whether it's for beginners, advanced players, casual games, or competitive tournaments. After that, you'll have the option to upload a club logo. This step isn't required, but it's highly recommended because it makes your club look more professional and helps it stand out. You can upload an image directly from your computer. Once you've filled in all the details, take a quick moment to review everything. Make sure your name, description, and logo all look good. When you're ready, click the Create button to finish setting up your club. And that's it. Your chess.com club is now live. You can start inviting members, creating events, and building your own chess community right away. One quick tip. After creating your club, explore the club settings to customize things like privacy, join requirements, and notifications so it fits exactly how you want to run it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.